Odofo mema akwaba edeba kasa emfoni afidi a yefe na Adom TV so. Yimede we ye Nkuranhyɛ. Na me amti dwom amede ho chia me. Edi amje so eye ni tekotego. Me da asese wo do afidi ato a. Ene ye betona montuo bi ahwewi ase abrabo se de ebo no fa. Yefe no the capital of life. Abrabo ne esombo ema yen. Ye ka capital ase ko ye adwuma. Wakope sika pudu so de adwuma na ase. O fe no your capital. Enti abrabo so wo hia capital, wo hia bibia do ha ase. We wake up every day for a reason. We don't just wake up. We wake up to make meaning of our lives and to bring meaning to the life of others. And a pebia was sodia. The entire was sorry ne say wabrabo benyanchira siene and faso. Now would it be assign obi? That's the reason you wake up. You wake up to find meaning for your life and also to add value to the life of others. So we don't just wake up in the morning, just to walk around, just to eat. Yen sore keke. The entire onyankopon emaya adichi bia kire say obibi asese ye de abraboye. Every day we are supposed to add something to our lives and to the lives of others. Fane ye sikasemu, ye dwumam, ya wadiemu, ya pomodnimu, ye mfie ni amro no so. We are supposed to add something to life, to our own lives, to the life of others. We go through what we go through as a part of the program and preparation to make us become greater and better. And you might famu nyina de chi, and you might try abrabo nyina no, e to ye say e be sua de afri mu, na hihye abrabo, etimi ade bubra e wo daachi emu. And then ya wo be famu, and no ania wo famu no, enye mu na betena bosobo. How be a unya no, e by se ubenya no ye na de abubraba. E kan the potokasem, the best place to build a business is around a problem. The best place to build your problem, to build a business or profit, is around a problem. Baby, I see a sin kunya, near penkoso, and put your pet abrabo ano a ye a dro kesepa, any baby or how ever. One is abrabo or how betua, yensu, or how ba said a bear benya anu ye near no dro, not what meeting team na empo amwa kanwako nim. Abri biara or how beba nim wono, now to meeting team epa or hano edrona, it me pejao, chababa eboy, enya betesa. Awari, enya betesa. Apomudni kura enya betesa, empo ejuma, and not from Yakofa. Be a baby ano or how wom, a pindie wom, a shase wom. And from so wom, impo sabe when sabe si from baby. Nina e bakusi se. E betchira kwa beti mafaso a bubra no abrabe aye. Life successes are created when we solve our problems. Life successes are created when we unlock the challenges and create opportunities for our growth. Abrabo ye boy. Enkunimdie enyina so ene nioma ye gina no epa no aduro. Abrabo ye boy. Yenkunim de egina so eba na yesika semu ya dwumam ya pomodne ya wadem ya desua mu no nyina so ene se ye hu challenge ni afifi mu ape opportunity wom se me so meyie na wasemu ayie abrabo eni ho ema woni wa yemre abrabo eni ho ema sabe woni a wodi ani ha abrabo eni ho sabe ede masabe nkwase asem abrabo egina ho ma nyansafo abrabo egina ho ma woni a wa akuduro obetima gina wona so apenya nsa adware wona adwene na wabubura ene bebubura baba yebuyi eni ho ema woni asabi da bia wotwa asu ababo eni ho ma woni ada bia wonwinwi ena mi kurumpemi ena mi ira mi se dabi jai na hunu ni awo famu bia se eka brabo ho enti na beto wo no enti nyina mu nsu enyina mu ni apini enyina mu embobo yoma ho gina mu na bisa se kwan ben so na mefa. Why do you think Christ became so popular? To the extent that today people are using his name to make business. Adem nema Yesu ene ye kasa ni dia ka nipa no mu ya ene na mafo bi ede ni dia business a odi jisika won krofo dada krofo ede jisika kase. Yesu oye popular esan say or solve problems. Christ became popular because he was a problem solver. Meboa, ebi yare no asa na yare, obi ene fra no ye fro, e command nkrofo no command brodo be mpimpim, osemunni obi wi oso anyane no. Saa nyoma no wo ye na ema sabinidi eka nipa num. Eno nti oni pa bia ye bo seba brabum, identify one particular problem in your life. Identify one particular problem in your family. Identify one particular problem in your nation. Identify a problem in your marriage and solve it. That is the only way you can leave a mark in the hearts and minds of people. Ya mase be didi ako party say be afa mane member. No. Life rewards problem solvers. What am I know? Life reward problem solvers. The amount and the size of the problem you solve determines the size of your rewards. Oko kraswa da yema 1 + 1 is small problem. But ako university e more problem mu oduo na we ase wanya degree. So the size of your problem determines the size of your rewards. Stop complaining when there are problems. Stop murmuring and stop worrying, and rather sit back and find out what is in this problem that I can solve to make my life better. Abrabo awubwe ensembeto to be enkoyi jai se wusu jai se wo bosobo na ka kire won se e de na meye ne dai na mepaja me ho afri ahwase mu agina ho brane gira ho na mbeja ha na me de nkra kese ama se me kwa ne sa edi amje so eye apostle Dr. Nita Kotegu me da se wonya amrehwe me me da Adom TV adwumafo nyina se titire me nua be ma Thomas ni ade na eja Welbeck ampadu na sound ni camera fo nyina me do bi ase me nyankɔ bedwama dwumadi edi akire nto se menko woni onyame entina